He's coming.
Is he coming up?
He's checking things out right now.
Buddy!
So what did you
Maggie,
do?
get over here. Maggie, get over here. Come on.
All we did was actually swim.
Where'd you swim, in the ocean or a pool?
Look, he can't stay away. He knows it's there. He knows it's
So
there.
cute to be holding her
Ellie,
hands.
don't
eh?
scratch the floor with them stuff
Here
on
he
the
comes
bottom.
now.
I
Yeah.
went pool Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Friday.
Joan
And I went ocean
Yeah.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
comes over and looks in the window, Jen.
Is your grandpa's place?
Wait till I get the whiff of that strawberry.
It's kind of by the ocean, but
He likes the nuts better. He doesn't seem to be afraid. Look at him.
What is that for?
He's looking for nuts.
you know,
Mark.
Allie.
Stay right there, guys.
He's looking for nuts.
Yeah. There's some more. There's a few over here. You come over and get them. Just don't make those sudden moves, that's all.
Just give him time.
Allie, stay right there.
You're moving around. It scares him.
Their little mouth goes as fast as what their feet go, you know, they move so damn fast. Buddy! Buddy, come here!
She can't see. Look at Missy can't see. Missy can't see.
Well, let me know when you go, because I'm going to go to the store.
Okay.